All right, it is restaurant review time, and I'm actually pretty excited because we are here at Lucky 13, which is one of my favorite places to get a good burger. So I already know how good it is, but in case you're driving through Utah and you're here on I-15, you can see the exit. Well, the exit's just right there, so you can literally get off the freeway if you're making a road trip through Utah, through Salt Lake City. Have a good burger. We're right next to the Smith's Ballpark where the Anaheim Angels minor league baseball team plays. If you live in Salt Lake and you've never been to Lucky 13, then this review is for you as well. Keep in mind, it is a bar, so you do need your ID to get inside. But Lucky 13 has what's called the Celestial Burger, and I'm gonna ask the waitress inside what she recommends. I already know it's one of my favorite burgers. It's pretty much what they're known for. In 2012, this bar right here headed down to Las Vegas and entered into the best burger in the world contest where people came from all over the world. And in 2012, they won the best burger in the world contest. And the Celestial Burger is how they won it. So if you've never been to the Lucky 13, you've been thinking about going, you're visiting Utah on vacation, you're driving through, you're not even on vacation here, but you're just driving through and you're looking for a really good meal, you're definitely gonna wanna consider stopping here. This is the exit of about 13th South. So you can jump off the 13th South exit. Literally, it's just a few blocks from the freeway, have a delicious burger, then get back on the freeway and off you go. So without further ado, let's go inside and have some lunch.
Yeah, what do you recommend? What's your favorite?
I personally really like the Celestial. We are famous for it.
The burger with a side of salad. Celestial, right?
Yes, thanks a lot, buddy.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
You guys enjoy?
Thank you. So as you could hear, I chatted with the waitress, and she suggested that the Celestial Burger is the burger they're known for. So I decided to go with the Celestial Burger. Houston, as you can see, went with the guacamole burger, which looks amazing. But I've had this burger before. I was happy to hear her say that she recommended it because I love this burger. This is the burger that they won the Best Burger in the World Championship in 2012 out in Las Vegas. And so I'm excited to dive into this, anxious to hear what Houston thinks of his, and I highly recommend if you come here to Lucky 13, this is the burger you try. Look at that, I'm really excited to dive into this.
All right, so we just got done having lunch, and I had the Celestial Burger. Houston ended up ordering the special of the day, which was the guacamole burger, which looked really good, and according to Houston, was really good. The Celestial Burger is always awesome. I've been there a bunch of times. I typically get the Celestial Burger and the Fungus Mungus, which is the mushroom burger. I've never tried any other burger, but I really need to. So if you are in the area looking for a good burger, I highly recommend Lucky 13. Based off of my personal opinion, I can tell you for sure that the Fungus Mungus and the Celestial Burger are awesome because I've personally tasted those. Like I said, I haven't had the other ones, but I think they're, from what I hear, just as good. So I give Lucky 13 a 5 out of 5 Celestial Burgers.